Who that on the pole and shoot that on the pole? Who that on the pole and shoot that on the pole? If you ain't getting no shot, then you don't get to go. And yeah, we up the stadium, quarterback and hoes. My money fourth and long, but you do not get to throw. Rack city shit. Penny for your thoughts and a 20 for your cities and 100 for your smile. I'ma be here for a while. I'ma be up with them ounces. See you when you out. Look, something for the fucking bit. I ain't with the sucker shit. All the bad strippers gotta agree me with their government. Fuck whoever judge ya and trick whoever love ya, but don't expect a ring if you committed to the hustle. Yeah, rack city shit. She ain't right like them old rap city skits. I got many chicks blowing black penny kick strippers at 30, telling niggas that they 26.
Rack city bitch, 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 10, 20s and the 50s bitch. Silver emblem, 2 black R's. Who's that in the nice black car? All tops came back, the results are cause of death, bars. Gotta kill a foe for the llama. Gotta kill a hoe, half Colombiana, half Dominicana. Poke out from behind her, work out a little bit, get the rest from my mama. Black city bitch, black out of 03. California King Kush, black out from OG. You need your deathbed, not laying there. The end is here, start saying it.
I'm in my other car, about to get my other car. You like talk to him, you're on this seminar. 12 carats and that's all it is. 1, 2, 6, yeah, that's all gears. I got my other car talking